everyone. Good day. This is Echo from Shanxi. Very happy to provide you with the best service and machine. Let me introduce you to our machine. It's a 4-in-1 machine. Its functions include cleaning, welding, cutting, and cleaning weld. We have 1000 power, 1005 power, 2000 power, 3000 power. You can choose different power according to your needs. This is our laser source. You can choose from a variety of laser source brands depending on your needs. This is our water chair. This is nozzle. This is the pre-starting helper nozzle. The switch is here. Here is the protective case. It has built-in motor protective list, focusing list, reflecting list, and collimating list. This is nozzle.
The machine is equipped with both single and dual wire feeders, supporting 25 languages simultaneously with adjustable wire feeding speed. If needed, we can provide you with matching wires such as stainless steel, copper, aluminum, etc. in different diameters.
This is control switch. This is control system. The operation of the machine is very simple. It has 25 languages to choose from. You can touch the screen to different functions. Our machine can achieve 100,000 working hours, and we can provide 3 years warranty. And we can customize our products to suit your need, and we will give you the best price and the best service.
The machine is easy to operate, with a welding gun weighing 0.8 kilograms. Even girls can easily complete the welding. Compared to MIG, the welding results are exquisite, and the speed is faster. You can choose different focusing lenses to get different cleaning widths. Janek has been committed to the laser industry for decades, selling globally. and possessing a professional R&D team and after-sales engineers. We hope our products can solve problems for your work. Shinek offers door-to-door service and 24-hour online after-sales support.